Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign in to your Dfcc virtual wallets account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Dfcc virtual wallet account, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in www.dfcc.ik or dfcc.ik and make a search. The official page of Dfcc Virtual Wallet will appear on the screen. Click on Login option at the top right corner of the page. Choose your account type and tap on it. Between personal banking or corporate banking account, choose one of the account type and click on it. On the next page, enter your username and password associated with your Dfcc account and tap on Login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your username or password, tap on Forgot Username or Forgot Password. This is how you can log into your Dfcc Virtual Wallets account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.